This is the original shifter handle. It has one Torx bit on the rear. For most of you guys, you're gonna have to put the vehicle in neutral or pull it all the way down to 1 to get that bit out. I actually, while I had the vehicle in park, I took a little bit and I was able to just to get it while I was in park. Pull off your tray. There's 1, 2, 3 connector pieces holding down that tray. It can be a real pain to get that tray off. Something I want to show you guys is that the new shifter handle has 2. All right, this has 1. They're different. You can't go out and buy a new shifter piece and put on the old piece. It's just not going to work. It doesn't have those 2 screws. So if you buy this piece, the new, double shifter, you need the double shifter, tray down there. There's 4 10mm bolts that need to come out. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. When it comes to getting that one off down here, you're gonna have to run your ratchet through this hole, take the bulb out and unscrew where the bulb holds into, and reconnect it underneath. It's a real pain in the butt. When it comes to this piece right here, all right, you're gonna need a pick. All right, here we go. You're gonna have to come in from the side, get behind it, press it in. Notice I'm behind it. Press it in, pull that piece out. In the front, there's a safety clip right there. So there's a safety clip right. There's a safety clip right there. You can see where it's square. And right here, you're gonna have to press that in, and then you'll be able to lift that out or lift that up. Before you actually do this step right here, what you're gonna do is take 2 flatheads while sitting in the driver's seat and pop the shift linkage out. Okay, when it comes to reinstallation, again, take your time with this. I actually lost one of my bolts and I spent like 5 hours looking for it. Totally gone, disappeared, gone. Once you get everything put back together, when it comes to this piece, you're gonna have to get a little aggressive with it to get that to pop in. You put your keys in the ignition. One of the things you want to look out for, this could be one of the issues you run into, is that you have your vehicle in park. However, the vehicle is not locked into park. You want to make sure if you can take your keys out successfully, you have no issues. But if you find yourself with the issue like, hey, my key's not coming out, what's going on? Don't freak out. The reason is that this whole unit right here needs to come up. It's off by like 2 or 3 millimeters. So you want to just push it upwards. You want to make sure you use your screws up there to push this as far forward as you can. What's happening is that this is at like 99% all the way forward, and it's not at 100%. When this is 100% forward, you can put the vehicle in park and get your keys out. So what was happening is that this piece right here, this unit right here, I had it back on. I put on the new shifter handle. The bottom part right here was not going down and setting in. And the reason, again, was because of this tray right here was not far forward enough for you to get this handle all the way forward. Therefore, it would not shift the vehicle into park. And when the vehicle, again, it would show as in park. It would say you're in park, but what you could do is you could pull this back and it would jump into reverse, and that's not correct. So again, take your time with this process. It's not bad. It's just, it's tedious work kind of getting into this and getting this part installed. Something else I did is that I actually had a piece of sound deadening and I ran it on the back. I glued it to this piece right here. It's a good idea because what will happen is that you can drop stuff and it'll fall back there. It's just something to keep in mind. What else do I have for you guys? In regards to the handle, the original handle it was great. I really enjoyed it. The new handle, it just has a lot more weight to it. I mean, you could really knock somebody out with this thing. It is just, I mean, this thing has got some serious weight to it. This is just a really nice quality of life upgrade. Now, you can see I have the carbon fiber installed. The carbon fiber is just, again, a really nice upgrade on these interiors. And then you install this shifter handle, and this upgraded shifter handle. It's just a really nice upgrade. Again, good luck in this process.